make a performance budget. This is my tip. Let's say you are a pirate and you will go out on a treasure hunt. So your company is your pirate ship, and you need to get this to the treasure that you know is there. You have the map. Now you just need to guide your ship to the best way. And how do I do that? Well, of course, you look at the map and you look and see, okay, where am I actually in reality? And so the bookkeeping is your map. And when you analyze your numbers, that is like your compass. And your budget, when you decide, okay, this is the path I want to go, that is like your your like steering wheel, that you use to be able to get to that dream, the goal, the treasure you have decided you want to find. So maybe it's a little bit funnier to think that, okay, now I am Jack Sparrow on an adventure when I do my budget. So if that makes it more fun for you, please take on the hat and make the funny moves and put on the right music in the background. If that is not for you, then you find another way. But remember that doing a budget is actually the best thing that you can do. Take the time, sit down a little bit and analyze your numbers. And the more you do that, the more you will understand, you will see the patterns better if you have practicing doing this for a longer time. So yeah, in the beginning it can be a little bit hard, but everything is a little bit hard when you are a beginner. So just force through that one, and then you will have a really, really good tool for you to get to the dreams of your company.